So, preamble to all schools again. Determine the chemical elements present in the following substances. Chemical elements present in the following substances. Greater heights, ammonium phosphate or fertilizer.
Nitrogen, hydrogen, phosphorus, and oxygen.
That is correct for 3 points. Artificial, same preamble, vinegar. Vinegar. Yes, greater heights.
Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen.
Correct for 1 point. Fulfilled life. Same preamble. Glucose. Yes, greater heights.
Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen.
That is also correct for 1 point. Greater heights. In which organelle in a eukaryotic cell is DNA enclosed or contained?
Nucleus.
Nucleus, correct for 3 points. Artificial. Which only organelle is known to be present in a prokaryotic cell?
Chloroplast.
Sorry, that was incorrect. As a bonus? Who is ringing? Yes, greater heights.
Nucleic material.
Sorry, that's also incorrect. Fulfilled life. Which parasite present in the mosquito saliva infects a person to cause malaria?
Plasmodium parasite.
Plasmodium parasite, correct for 3 points. Preamble to all schools states whether the following ions are either an anion or cation. Greater heights. Nitrate ion.
An anion.
An anion, correct for 3 points. Artificial. Hydroxide ion.
Anion.
Please come again.
Anion.
That's correct for 3 points. Fulfilled life. Ammonium ion.
Cation.
That is cation for 3 points. That was correct. Greater heights. If x plus y is equal to -4/5, what is the value of 3x plus 3y?
-12/9.
Sorry, that's incorrect. All right, bonus. You have to compete for the bonus. You don't need to wait.
-12.
Ring your bell first, please. That's the rule. You have to ring the bell. Yes. Fulfilled life.
-12 on 15.
Sorry, that's also incorrect. Okay, the time out. Artificial. If A over B is equal to 8/3, what is 2/3 of B over A?
The question again, please.
If A over B is equal to 8 over 3, if A over B is equal to 8 over 3, what is 2/3 of B over A?
One over 4.
That's correct for 3 points. Fulfilled life. The equation y equals mx plus b is a known line whose gradient is m. What value of x will make the function y equals mx plus b equal to only y is equal to b? What value of x will make y is equal to b for the function y is equal to mx plus b? What value of x will make y is equal to b? All right, greater height as a bonus.
0.
0, correct for 1 point. Fulfilled life. Find the value of x given that 3 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 3 multiplying the square root of 3. X to the power 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 root 3. What is the value of x? Sorry, that is incorrect. Yes, greater height.
Root 3 plus 1.
Sorry, that's also incorrect. Did you ring the bell, Atta Fisher? All right. Okay.
1.
1, that's also incorrect. All right. Atta Fisher, your main question. The width of a rectangle is 6 centimeters. And the diagonal measures 10 centimeters. Knowing that a rectangle contains a right-angled triangle, what is the possible measure of the length of this rectangle? Sorry. What did you say? Come again.
80.
80, that was incorrect. Timed out. Bonus. Yes, greater height.
8.
That is correct for 1 point. 8, not 80. All right, your major question. Greater height. If x plus 2 in brackets all squared, if x plus 2 in brackets all squared is equal to 9 and y plus 3 in brackets also squared is equal to 25, what is the value of x over y?
3 over 5.
Sorry, that's incorrect.
Or 5.
I cannot accept your answer. I need to wait for the bell. All right, bonus. Yes.
3 over 5.
That's also incorrect. All right. The correct answer was supposed to be half. Okay, so that brings us to the end of round 1. Please, let's clap for our contestants. We are preparing for round 2, whilst the score masters would share with us what we have so far. I would like to encourage the contestants. This is the first show. We are going 6 rounds. You know, in the boxing ring, when they knock you out in the first one, you rise up and you come out for more. All right, so don't lose hope. We are going on to the other rounds, okay?